Welcome students. Today we are going to see about built-in string functions in Python. The first function is len function. Length function is used to calculate the length of the particular string. The syntax for the length function is len of str, and the example we have already seen many examples for the string functions. For len function, the example is they have given capital A equal to corporation. How many characters are there? It is 11 character. C, O, or each character we have to calculate. So 11 characters are there. So len of A, if you asked, means it will return the output as 11. Next built-in string function is capitalize. This function returns the character in a capitalized letter. That is, it is given as city equal Chennai and print of city dot capitalize. It makes the first character of the string as a capital letter. In city equal Chennai, it is C is given as small letter, but the output we are getting is capital C. Next function, center of with comma fill character. This function, we can add some extra characters along with the given character. Let us see the example. That is string 1 equal welcome we have given. In the welcome statement, we can add some characters. That is, here we have added star. So the given string will be in the middle. Remaining places will be filled with star. In that example, print of str1 dot center of 15 comma star has been given, center of 15. So 15 characters it will take. Already in welcome there is 7 character. So remaining 8 characters has been filled with star. That welcome string will be in the middle. Remaining the 8 characters has been filled with star. That is beginning 4 stars and ending 4 stars is we get as an output. Next function, find. So we are going to find the first occurrence of the substring in the given string. If no index is find, then it will returns -1. If we are checking for a particular substring, if that substring has not been found, then it will return -1. Let us see the first example. String 1 equal to mammals. It has been given as mammals. String 1 dot find of MA. MA is in, M is in first index position. So it returns 0. See the next example. String 1 dot find of MA, comma 2. That is second position that MA is there. So from second position onwards, we have to check it out. In second position, A is there. From A, next MA starts from the third position. That is, we are starting from A, not from the M. A, and then third position means A, M, M. So in third position only MA starts. So we are getting the answer 3. Next, string 1 dot find of MA, comma 2, comma 4. In between second position and fourth position, MA is there. Like that we are finding. If MA is there or not, like that we are finding. In between second position and fourth position, MA is not there. So it returns the value -1. Next example, the final example. String 1 dot find of MA, comma 2, comma 5. In between the second and fifth position, MA is in third position. So it returns the output as 3. Next function is alnum. Al means alphabet, num means number. We are checking if the string contains both alphabet and number, it returns true. If the string contains only alphabets or only numbers, it returns only false. Let us see the example for this one. The string which is given is save earth. So only alphabet alone it is there. So we are getting the result false. Next example, save one earth. So alphabet is also there, 1, that number is also there. So it returns the output as true. Next example is alpha. It accepts only alphabets. That is, it is given as click 1, 2, 3. See the example. Click 1, 2, 3. So alphabet is there, number. So it returns false. Next example, Python. Only alphabets there. So it returns the value true. Next function is digit. Is digit means if the given string contains digit means it returns true. If it contains only alphabets means it returns false. The example has been given for the string as save earth. Only alphabets are there, so it returns false. Next function, lower. So whatever string you are giving in capital letter, this lower function immediately changes that string into small letter, that is lowercase letter. So we have given save earth in capital letter. So we are getting the answer as an save earth in lowercase. Next is lower. Is lower means it is checking whether the given string is in lowercase or in uppercase. If it is in lowercase, it returns true. If it is not in lowercase, it returns false. See the example for is lower. Welcome. Welcome, all the letters are in small letter, that is lowercase. So it returns the output as true. Next function is upper. So I think you understand about this, like is lower. Is upper means if you are giving the string in lower case, immediately it changes into, is upper means it checking whether the given string is in uppercase or lower case. Is upper means it will check. Here the string has been given as welcome. It is in small letter, lowercase letter. So it returns false. Next upper. What string if you are giving, it has been changed that string into capital letter, that is uppercase. Let us see the example. The example has given us welcome, that is fully in small letter. If you are using the function upper, it immediately changes all the letters into capital letter. And title. Title function returns the string, the first letter of the title alone in capital letter. See the example. Education department has been given. So in education, E has been changed into capital and department D has been changed into capital. So this is the working of the title function. And swap case. Swap case means it will return the character in an opposite case. If you given in lower case, it changes into upper case. If you are giving in upper case, it changes into lower case. That is opposite case and vice versa. That is capital small t they have given as an example, and capital A, small m, small I, capital L, like that it is given. Immediately it changes small t into capital T, capital A into small a, like that all the string has been changed. So this is the example for swap case. Next syntax, that count of str comma beginning comma end. This is one of the built-in function in Python. It returns the substring which occurs in the given range. What are all the substrings? It will identify the substring in a given range. We can give the string and the beginning and ending of the string. See this example. In string 1, they are given the string as Raja Raja Cholan. And then they are printing string 1 dot count of Raja. How many Raja is there, like that the count will do. So 2 Raja is there, R-A-J-A, R-A-J-A. So it gives the output as 2. Next one, str1 dot count of small r. It is counting how many small r is there in given string. There is no small r, so it returns the output as 0. Next one, print of str1 dot count of capital R. It is going to count how many capital R's are there. So Raja Raja, 2 capital R is there, so it returns the output 2. And next one, print of str1 dot count of small a, that is how many small a is found in the string, it has identified. So 5 small a is there, so it returns the output 5. Next one, string 1 dot count of small a, comma 0, comma 5. What is meant by 0 and 5? That is beginning and ending. From 0 position to 5th position, how many small a is there? Like that we are going to identify. In between 0 and 5, only 2a is there. So it is printing 2. Next, print str1 comma count of a comma 11. After the 11th position, how many small a is there? It has to identify. After the 11th position, only one small a is there. So 1 we are getting as an output. Next function, ORD. ORD function returns the ASCII code. CH equal to capital A we are getting the output as 65, and they have given B, capital B, so we are getting the output ASCII code as 66. And CHR, it is just opposite to ORD, it returns the alphabets, that is characters, okay. That is, we are giving 97, so it returns small a. And next we are giving 87, it returns capital W. So these are all the built-in functions which is available in Python. Next, let us see about the membership operators in Python. That is, in and not in operators has been used in Python. These operators are called as membership operators. Let us see this example. We can understand easily about in and not in functions. In this example, we have used in function. First line of this example, string 1 equal to input of, enter a string is given. So it is getting the input from the user. See the output 1. Chennai GHSS Saidapet has been given. So this is the input we have given. In string 2 equal to Chennai, we have given in the program, second line, string 2 equal to Chennai, and we are checking if string 2 in string 1. We are checking string 2 is in string 1 or not, like that we are checking. What is in string 2? Chennai. In string 1, Chennai GHSS Saidapet is there. So Chennai is found in string 1. So we are getting the answer as found. In output 2, we are giving the input as government GHSS Ashok Nagar, and we are checking whether Chennai is there or not. We are checking Chennai is not found, so we are getting the answer not found. Okay, in this program we have used in, that is membership operator. Not in operator also can be used in this way. Okay, in today's class we have seen about built-in functions in Python and membership operators in Python. Next class we will see about the next chapter, that is 9. Up to this class we have completed 8th chapter. Thank you.